In the early days, the concept of a machine that could think like a human was merely a figment of science fiction. However, the birth of AI in the mid-20th century, thanks to the substantial contributions of scientists like Alan Turing and John McCarthy, changed that forever. The journey began in the 1950s when these pioneering scientists, among others, started exploring the idea of creating a brain. This marked the inception of AI as we know it today. The evolution of AI was shaped over time, with significant contributions from eminent scientists like George Boole and Gottlob Frege. Their pioneering work laid the groundwork for the concept of propositional logic, a type of reasoning that deals with that can be either true or false. This logic came to serve as the bedrock for machines to start thinking in a binary fashion. As AI progressed, the basic propositional logic was superseded by first-order logic. The move towards this higher order of reasoning broadened AI's capabilities, empowering machines to formulate more complex decisions based on a set of provided facts. This was a momentous advancement, as it equipped machines with the ability to reason and make decisions in a way that more closely mirrored human cognition. The subsequent development in the AI Odyssey was the inception of graph data structures, an innovative concept introduced by noteworthy scientists like Leonhard Euler and Gustav Kirchhoff. These structures enabled AI to depict issues in the form of graphs and resolve them by identifying the most efficient path. This revolutionary advancement was a game-changer, as it significantly broadened the range of problems that AI could confront and solve. Pioneers like Donald Knuth and Robert Floyd greatly contributed to the development of search algorithms, which significantly enhanced AI's problem-solving capabilities. These algorithms granted AI the ability to sift through vast amounts of data and pinpoint the most relevant information efficiently and expeditiously. It was akin to AI accomplishing the daunting task of finding a needle in a haystack. As AI to evolve, sorting algorithms were introduced, a feat for which luminaries like Knuth and Floyd were instrumental. These algorithms enabled AI to categorize and manage large volumes of data, simplifying the process for machines to find pertinent information. This marked yet another monumental stride in the journey of AI, making it more efficient and effective. The narrative of AI is far from over. A pivotal movement that changed the course of AI was the introduction of machine learning. Spearheaded by renowned scientists like Samuel and Tom M. Mitchell, machine learning brought forth a new era where machines could learn from data and gradually enhance their performance without explicit programming. This tremendously propelled us toward the goal of crafting machines with the capability to think and learn like humans. The latest chapter in the AI saga is the development of deep learning, a field significantly shaped by pioneers such as Geoffrey Hinton, Yann LeCun, and Yoshua Bengio. This subset of machine learning uses artificial neural networks to mimic the human brain, enabling machines to learn from large amounts of data. Thanks to the contributions of these eminent scientists, we've seen groundbreaking advancements in areas like image and speech recognition, making more integrated into our everyday lives than ever before. To summarize, the evolution of AI has been a journey from simple propositional logic to the complex world of deep learning. Each step along the way, from the birth of AI to the development of machine learning and the era of deep learning championed by Hinton, LeCun, and Bengio, has brought us closer to the goal of creating machines that can think and learn like humans. As we continue on this journey, who knows what the future holds for AI? Only time will tell.